Knife so dirty. See, so I feel like these videos, they're just trying to make people's stomachs sick. If that's their objective, oh, you won. You did it. Look at the bread at the bottom, how soaked it is in blood. That's nasty. Oh, man. Bro, look at the blood just running. How can you eat that and still be okay? You know how sick my stomach would be if I even attempted to eat that? I'm so surprised that some of these people aren't always sick eating stuff like that. If what I'm eating is not well done, steak, chicken, whatever it is. I know a lot of people eat rare, medium rare, or whatever it is. If it's not well done, I refuse to eat it. I did not grow up eating half-cooked food, and I will not start today.